Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two amazing drones. On the left, we have the Holystone HS-430, and on the right, we have the LeeIdea brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us: money. The Holystone HS-430 comes in at a wallet-friendly $77. Meanwhile, the LeeIdea brushless motor drone is slightly pricier at $89. So, if you're like me and have a piggy bank that's looking a bit thin, Holystone might be your new best friend. Now onto the cameras. Holystone HS-430 boasts a 1080p camera, which is great for capturing those not-so-HD, but still pretty moments. But if you want to see every pimple on your face from 1,000 feet up, LeeIdea is your guy with its 4K camera. You'll get ultra-crisp photos and videos that will make your Instagram followers think you're a professional photographer. According to Amazon reviews, users of the Holystone appreciate the decent video quality given the price, while LeeIdea users love the high resolution but have faced issues like scratched lenses and other malfunctions. Next up, battery life. Holystone gives you nearly 30 minutes of flight time with its two modular LiPo batteries. That's enough time to fly around, crash into a tree, and still have juice left to fly again. LeeIdea, on the other hand, offers up to 20 minutes with its two 3.7 volts, 1200 mAh batteries. So, if you're planning on setting a new world record for longest drone flight while avoiding obstacles, Holystone might have the upper hand. Reviewers have praised the Holystone for its good battery life, while others have noted the LeeIdea's shorter battery life as a drawback. Let's talk portability. The Holystone HS-430 can fold up and fit in the palm of your hand. You can literally toss it in your pocket and go. Perfect for those spontaneous drone adventures. LeeIdea is also foldable and comes with a carrying case, which is great if you're someone who likes to keep things organized and not lose your drone in the bottomless pit that is your backpack. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, with Holystone being praised for its compact size and LeeIdea for its handy carrying case. Now onto the fun stuff. Features. Holystone HS-430 comes packed with a ton of cool functions like high-speed rotation, circle fly, voice control, and even throw to go. Yes, you can literally throw it into the air to start flying. It's like the drone version of a boomerang, but it doesn't come back to hit you in the head. LeeIdea, however, has some tricks up its sleeve too. With 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, VR mode, and a maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour, it's like the James Bond of drones. It can dodge obstacles like a pro and race at high speeds, making you feel like you're in an action movie. Reviewers have enjoyed the fun features of the Holystone, while opinions on the LeeIdea's features are mixed due to some malfunctions. Finally, let's see which drone is better for beginners. Holystone HS-430 has headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch, making it super friendly for those of us who are still figuring out which way is up. LeeIdea also caters to newbies with optical flow positioning, headless mode, and one-button takeoff and landing. So if you're worried about crashing your drone into Aunt Martha's prized rose bushes, both drones have got you covered. Reviewers have found the Holystone easy to set up and use, while some have found the LeeIdea difficult to control but appreciated the customer service. Overall, Reviewers found the Holystone HS430 to be a good value for its price, easy to set up, and fun to use. On the other hand, the Idea brushless motor drone received mixed reviews due to some quality control issues, but was praised for its advanced features and customer service. So there you have it, folks. Both the Holystone HS430 and the Idea brushless motor drone offer some incredible features, but they cater to slightly different needs and budgets. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced flyer wanting some advanced features, we hope this comparison helped you make a smarter decision. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.